What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Du Bois Family Dinner. We like to eat on a budget.
Today we are going to be showing you how to use some of your leftovers from Easter. First, we are going to be making some breakfast sandwiches using our leftover rolls and ham. To make our breakfast sandwiches, these are the ingredients you will need. We are using our leftover rolls and ham, and then we are adding eggs and cheese. We've got our skillet nice and hot, so we are just going to start cracking our eggs in here. You can cook the eggs any way you want to. We are just going to fry them because it's pretty easy to do. You want to just let your eggs fry here for just a couple of minutes before you flip them. When they're about ready, I like to try and separate the eggs a little bit before I flip them, just to make sure you flip them a little bit cleaner. And they don't have to be perfect. As you can see, these are definitely not perfect, but we're just going to give them another minute on this side before building our sandwiches. Alright, so we are just going to build our sandwich now. So I have our croissant cut in half. I'm going to put a piece of ham on there and then half of a piece of cheese. You can do more if you want. And then we are just going to put the egg right on top. And then top it off with the top half of the croissant.
Alright, so if y'all remember our friend Aurelie, she sent us a new recipe, and apparently this is a pretty common dish in France, but we're going to recreate it with our Easter leftovers. So we're going to go ahead and cube up our ham so they're small bite-sized pieces.
What are you eating? Some peas? Some frozen peas? Are those yummy? Are those yummy?
In our bowl, we have a half cup of flour and a tablespoon of baking powder. Then to that, we're gonna add 2 eggs and 1/6 of a cup of milk, and then we'll mix that all together. Try to get it as smooth as possible. To that, we're gonna add a cup of peas. We're gonna add some of our ham. And last but not least, we're gonna add some cheese to that, which is what this little guy loves. He loves eating the cheese. Sometimes. Okay, once we have all that, we're gonna mix that up. We're gonna get ready to put it into our oven that we preheated to 400 degrees. Now that the oven's ready, we're gonna go ahead and pour our batter, our mixture, into a baking dish. Okay, we'll try to even it out once we get everything in. Now we'll just go ahead and let's even it all out. Okay, the oven's ready, so we're gonna go ahead and put this into the oven. All right, so it's been in the oven for about 25 minutes, and look at that. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. Say bye, buddy.
Bye-bye.